Hello, Gucci's family. How are you all doing today? Yes, I bring you a beautiful idea for Christmas snack for good presentation to your friends and family, your children. So we are making meat pie. I've gone in with my 6 cups of flour. I'm going to make it 8. So I'm going to be making this delicious for you to see how it's going to be. So this is the last 2 cups. I'm going to add my sugar. I'm going to add my baking powder. I'll go in with my cinnamon, then a pinch of salt. Mix all my dried ingredients together, and then add my butter. Yeah, so I'm going to use my butter masher to mash my butter, and then I'll go in with my hand. I'll try to leave ingredients in the description. So I'll mix until I've got the consistency that I'm looking for. I'll go in with my egg, mix my egg in like so. Make sure everything is well combined. And then I'll go in with some milk. I like to add milk in my pastries, yeah, because it gives me a healthy pastry. And then I'll go in with some of my vanilla extract, add a little bit of water, mix everything together until you have the best consistency for your batter. Okay, so I'm going to divide it into 4, like you see what I'm doing, after which I will just set it aside and put it in the fridge for it to rest for like 10 minutes, and then we go right into making our filling. So I'm just trying to wrap this up and put it in my fridge just like so. Cover it up properly and set it aside to rest. I've gone in with my garlic and my ginger. Here I am adding my beef. I'm going to fry my beef with some black pepper. I'll add some thyme. I'm going to go in with some onion powder. Yeah, I'm going to go in with some chili. I'll go in with some paprika. I'll go in with some adobo seasoning. Lastly, I'm going to go in with my garlic powder, and then I'll add some Goya seasoning just to give it a good taste. And I had to add some onion and some peppers, the jalapeno peppers. I'll add my filling that I had already in the house just to mix everything together. And look at how that is looking. Very delicious, guys. You need to try this. Delicious. Make sure you have given me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I have just brought my batter out. I'm just going to knead it on the table for a little bit. Knead, and then I'll start rolling with my rolling pin. Roll it out to the consistency that you want your meat pie to be on. I like to roll it this way, flip it to this side and the other side. That way my meat pie surface will look crunchy. As you can see, my meat pie, after it came out from the oven, the surface was looking crunchy. Yeah, this is why I had to do it this way. And then I'll start rolling it to the little roaches that you want to cut your meat pie into, so you can get the equal shape. So yeah, roll, and then you start rolling again with the rolling pin, and then you cut it to the sizes or shapes of your choice. That way everything will look beautiful and evened. Yeah, if you want to know how to make sausage, I think I have sausage recipe on my channel, because I made some sausages here as well. So just touch it with some egg, just to zip it up, or you touch it with flour. I've gone ahead to use flour. I just added my filling, and this is what we have. Yeah, just repeat the same process until you get the number of meat pie that you wish to achieve, So yeah, this is an order, and I'm trying to be as fast as I can. And then just cream it up with some flour, some eggs, just to make sure it looks beautiful. You just beautify it with that egg. 350 degree, you set it into the oven. 15 minutes later, our pie's ready. Beautiful pie. Put in some more, and all of this deliciousness are beautifully cooked. Look at that. Please give me a thumbs up. Give this girl a thumbs up. And let me see your lovely comments in that comment section. Gucci's team. See all I'm doing for you guys. You guys, please subscribe if you haven't done so. Please give me a thumbs up. Tell somebody to tell somebody about this girl here. And come in and check out what I'm doing. I'm sure you will love it. You're going to learn a lot. See how beautiful, guys. This was beautiful. It was so beautiful. Please patronize your sister. Patronize me. And God will bless you. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. I hope you try this out for your family, friends, and loved ones for this Christmas. I'm sure they will love it. And you're going to enjoy this for your breakfast. You're going to enjoy it for your snack. You're going to enjoy it anytime. It's always delicious in this kitchen. Love you all. See that meat pie. Oh my God. The meat pie carry weight too. This Nigerian meat pie carry weight. Yes, it carry weight. It's so good. Anytime I make meat pie, my family will first of all finish that meat pie before customers will even see the meat pie. It's so beautiful to do this for your family, friends, and loved ones. Stay tuned. See you in another video. Ciao, ciao.